When you're learning about web development, something that's important to know about are things called APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API is a mechanism that allows two applications to interact with one another following a specified set of rules. For example, let's say you would like to post a picture that you took last night to your Instagram account. The Instagram application on your phone needs to interact with the application that stores photos on your phone. In order to do this, they need to use an API or a specific set of rules. So, using an API, Instagram requests information from your phone's photo app, and the photo app returns that information to Instagram, and you're able to post your photo. Using a specific set of rules or an application programming interface, these two apps are able to interact with one another. A specific API that I'd like to talk about today is called the Geolocation API, which is an API that allows two devices to send information related to a user's or a device's location to one another. So, one application requests information from another application, and that information is sent back to the requesting application. Some of the information that a requesting app might be looking for includes GPS coordinates, a computer's IP address, if you're using a phone, the cell tower that was used, or the Wi-Fi that a phone's connected to. So the requesting application requests this information from the device that's being used, and this information is then gathered and sent back to the requesting application, and the data is translated and formatted as a location. This can be a physical address, information about the area, a weather report, or any other data formatted based on a location. The communications channels between the two applications do not store any of the data. They simply gather it and send it back. No data is stored on the API itself. A few common uses for the Geolocation API include navigation, which I use all the time, contextual advertising, so sending you advertisements based on your location, weather reports, social media updates, and any near me searches that you might do. So jobs near me, food near me, etc. So a requesting application gathers information from this app, sends it back to this app in the form of a location. So let's say, for example, the requesting app wants to know where a device is located so that it can give you a weather update. It searches for the computer's IP address, which will have location-specific information, and then that data is sent back to the requesting application. Let's say it's the weather app. And then using the location information that it gathered, it gives you a weather report for your area. The Geolocation API has lots of uses and is used very commonly. I personally am thankful for it because without the Geolocation API, I'm confident I would not be able to find my way anywhere. So thank you, Geolocation API.